Hello, my friend. What's going on? This is Emmanuel Adibola, aka the Forex Apostle, coming to you from my home office right here in Dallas, Texas. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to start investing into real estate, starting with just $10. Okay, how to begin to participate in real estate investing, starting with just $10. Yes, I know you're surprised. Okay, I thought this guy is a Forex trader. What are we talking about again? In real estate. Yes, one thing I do is I teach people, okay, how to make money, how to profit with Forex, but not just to make that money alone. I also expose you to different strategies by which you can protect that money you make so that you don't pay, you don't give it back to the government. So that's what we're going to be looking into, and irrespective of where you are, your location, how you can begin to participate in that. Imagine if you can be able to start participating and investing into this kind of properties with just $10. That is what we're going to be looking into. That's what we're going to be discussing in this video. But do me a favor, my friend, if you see any value in this video at all, come on, smash that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and of course share this video with your friend. Share it 10 times. Those people that always ask you for money, share this video with them so that they will know what you are doing with your money. And of course, if you have any question, do me a favor, leave your question at the comment section of this video. Okay, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that and we'll get started. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start investing into premium real estate starting with just $10. Irrespective of where you are, I think that is what anybody should be able to do. Before this time around, before you can, diligently and conveniently invest into properties like this, like talking about skyscrapers, talking about all these smart homes, talking about these expensive homes, you have to have millions of dollars. I'm talking about 5 millions, 10 millions, 14 millions. If you want to invest into buying of let's say apartments and all these big buildings, you will need millions of dollars. But right now, you don't need to have millions of dollars before you can do that. So, irrespective of how much you are making, okay, you can just start from where you are. And one of the companies that allow you to do that is Fundrise. Fundrise is a crowdsource, crowdfunding real estate investment platform. Just like, let me just break it down. So let's say, okay, we see a building, and this building cost $100,000. I'm going to use that as as an example. So you see this building cost $100,000. If you want to buy that particular building, you will be required to put down, let's say, 20% down payment. So 20% of $100,000 will be $20,000. So how many people can afford that? So let's say, okay, you don't have $20,000. Then you now invite your friends, and 10 of you, okay, so 10 of you decide, okay, we want to buy this property for $100,000, but let's put down $10,000. So 10 people, you contribute $10,000 each, and that makes it $100,000, and you buy the building cash. Then let's say 2 years after, the property appreciates in value, or 5 years after, in real estate, average returns on your investment will be like around 4 to 5% annual return. Okay, real estate is not my best when it comes to investing, but at the same time, that is how you create wealth, and we're going to be talking about that. That is how you create wealth. I've discovered that it's either you make money and invest into real estate, or you make money outside of real estate, and that money, if you want to guide yourself
against paying huge tax, that money still have to come to real estate. So, but it's not everybody that have that opportunity to, put down huge capital. So, back to what I was saying. So 10 of you, you put together, let's say 10,000, you bought this building, then 5 years after this building has appreciated, then you decide to sell. So the profit, you now share it based on how much you put in. So that is just the concept of crowdfunding real estate investment platform like Fundrise. So, but in this case now, we're talking about buildings of $10 million, $5 million. So you can just, tap to that opportunity with the little that you have. $10, $20, $50, $500, $5,000, $50,000, $100,000. You can be part of it. So this is a very smart way of investing into real estate without you going through all the hassles of managing the properties or looking for properties. Fundrise, there are a lot of other ones, but in this case, I don't promote what I don't use. So Fundrise is what I use, and I'm going to be taking you to the dashboard and show you, how the platform works. Now that we're talking about inflation, you know that one of the ways that you can actually protect your asset, one of the ways you can protect your money against inflation is investing. And investing into real estate is actually one of the best. It's actually one of the best. What the rich are doing right now, what they are doing is borrowing money from the bank because we're talking about hyperinflation this time around. So when you borrow money on a fixed rate, on a fixed rate, maybe you borrow money for like 5% return, and the smart way to invest that kind of money, then you protect your money. But if you keep the money in the bank account and inflation hits your your money right there, your $10,000 can just go down to let's say 4,000, 6,000. So that is actually just the main concept. So irrespective of where you are, you can start. Just like the way you invest into stocks using all these apps like Stash, the same way you can begin to invest into real estate. You don't need a realtor, you don't need a real estate agent, you don't need to look for the properties by yourself, you don't need to manage the properties, you don't need to go through the hassles of managing tenants, but your money can begin to work for you. But before you do that, you have to have long-term mentality. You have to look at it. I'm going to start putting my money away, let's say every month, $100. If you do that in a year, that is $1,200. And some of you watching me right now, you can actually, you can do $10,000 a month. So 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. In a year, you have invested $120,000, and it's going to give you, of course, a return. You get paid your return on your money at every quarter. I just started this program myself, and as you know, the name of my company is Hidden Riches, and one of my goals is to expose hidden riches both online and offline. So if you are watching this video and you are especially you are a resident of United States, trust me, this is what you should be able to tap into. Even if you have your home property, if you have the house you are living in, these days I am dazed, and it baffles me when I talk to so many adults. I'm talking about adults in their 30s, in their 40s, in their 50s, people that have been working you know, for over 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, some even more than 40 years. Many of these people don't have a single stock. Many of these people don't even understand what we call cryptocurrency. Many of these people don't know what we call real estate investing. Many of these people don't even know when we're talking about bonds. Many of these people don't know when we're talking about, ETFs and so on and so forth. You know, what an average, especially most Africans in abroad, in diaspora knows is buying a land in their village, build that house, and let the house just sit there doing nothing, bury money. That is what most people do. Okay, but it's high time we got wise. It's high time we started doing things the smart way. It's high time we started using our smartphone, okay, in the smartest way. So, and how to do that is what? Investing. If you invest today, then you will rule and reign tomorrow. Those that invest today, definitely, rule tomorrow. Today's video is not about Forex. As you know, I'm called the Forex Apostle. I teach people how to make money trading the Forex market. But not just to make money also, you need to know how to manage the money that you made. You need to understand. And that is why I'm going to be starting a teaching series very, very soon. I don't know the date yet, but I'm going to be starting a show. And the series will focus on how to make, manage, and multiply money. How to make, manage, and multiply money. You know, that dollars, that yen, that naira, that British pounds that you are holding, that credit card that you are holding is not what we call money. So we're going to be talking about how to make, how to manage, how to multiply your money. And of course, once again, if you see any value in this video, do me a favor. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, smash on that subscribe button. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Share this video with your friend. Okay, share it with your friends. Share it 10 times. Share it 10 times. Then leave your comment below if you see any value. If you have any question, drop your questions in that comment box, and I promise you I'm going to read every comment and I will reply to you. Once again, this is your friend Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.